Hi loves, this is Clara. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing of my cloth and paper subscription box for the month of May. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Probably most of you have already seen what's inside the May subscription box. I've already seen it myself, but I just want to share with you my reaction when I see the actual items. So let's open the box. Let's do this. So usually when you open the box, you'll see the what's inside card. So starting last month, or for the month of April, they started doing at the front you'll see what's inside, but at the back you'll see the pictures of what you'll be getting inside this box. So it says here that you'll be getting a goal mapping notebook, and then you'll be getting dashboards, goal sticky notes, agenda notepad, bucket list notebook, and then my favorite, the journaling cards. So wow, I'm so excited to see the actual items. So these are the 4 dashboards: the resilience, bravery, tough times, fortitude. And then you'll be getting 4 journaling cards, which are these 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The usual calendar journaling cards. And then we have another 2 here. So exciting. So we're getting the notepad as well, the goal sticky notes, the bucket list notebook, and the goal mapping notebook. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Like, I am so excited to see what's inside. I've seen a lot of posts already, and it's like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Okay, so let's start with this one. It's a goal sticky notes in color Moscow. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but there you go. And it's 50 sheets, 3 by 3 inches. Color is so nice. It's more, I don't know, like why on the screen it's different. Like in front of me it's lighter, so whatever you see on the screen, it's lighter on the actual item. Oh my god, I like this one. So tough times never last, but tough people do. Definitely true. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this on my planner, but unfortunately my medium agenda is not yet here. I'm still waiting for Louis Vuitton to contact me if, you know, the repair has been done. But this is so pretty. I will definitely use this. Then we have another one, the bravery dashboard. So I got it in personal size, if you guys are wondering. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I really want to use it. Next is the resilience dashboard. There you go. And then another dashboard is the fortitude dashboard. I think this is printed on vellum paper. There you go. Let's do this last, the journaling cards. Oh, okay. So we have this bucket list notebook. This one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one. I might end up selling this because I don't want to keep a lot of notebooks myself. So there you go. It's a smaller size. It's not as big as the goal mapping notebook. I think this is it. This one. We cannot become what we want by remaining where we are. Well, the codes are very nice. And the notebooks are not that thin. And just to compare the sizes, this one is bigger than this one. So there you go. This one is smaller. So you'll be getting 2 notebooks. The bucket list and then the goal mapping. And then we also have a notepad, today's agenda notepad. You know, this one, I think I'll be using this for work. I'll be bringing this with me because I need to know like which tasks I need to do first, and then the priorities for each day. Well, this is a good notepad. And last but not the least, here are my favorites, and always my favorites are the journaling cards. Of course, you'll always be getting the monthly calendar. Oh my gosh, I like the material now. It's like it's the same as the dividers that they have, the glass plastic dividers. And then this in matte card. July. Why? Wow. Oh, July? Really? I thought... no, yeah, I got June the last time. So, this is July. And then, this is June. All progress begins with a brave decision. This is so nice. I have to keep this one for myself. And then the authenticity card. This is so nice. So they started doing this, like the glass plastic journaling cards, and I think I like it better. I don't know. I wonder how it looks like with the old material that they use to make the journaling cards. But this one is pretty. So I want to do a recap of what I got in the May subscription box. So let's start with the notebooks that I got. So we have the goal mapping notebook. I also got a bucket list notebook. And then I got 4 dashboards, and I chose the personal size. So we have the tough times, we have the bravery, we have the resilience, and then the 42 dashboards. These are perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I cannot like describe them, but it's like perfection for me. I really love them. I really love the format of it. It's gonna work on my planner. So next is the goal sticky notes, and then you'll be also getting the agenda notepad. Let's remove this one, then I'll put the sticky notes right here. And then you'll also get 4 journaling cards. So the usual journaling cards, the monthly ones in matte card, and also in transparent. Then another journaling card. I really love this one. All progress begins with a brave decision. True, true, true. If you don't decide now, then there's no progress. And again, this authenticity card is so pretty as well. I can't wait to use all of them in my planner. So if this is the first time that you're watching my unboxing video for cloth and paper subscription box, I recommend you subscribing on their monthly subscription box. You can give it a try because whatever I paid for is less than what actually these items are worth for. So if you buy these items individually, you have to pay more. So you have an option to do it month by month, 3 months prepay, or 6 months prepay. So what I did, I got the 3-month prepay wherein I paid $100. So if you do the month by month, you have to end up paying more. I forgot how much the exact price is, but I would put the link below so you could go to the cloth and paper website and see how much the actual subscription box right now. So, but if you do, you'll be end up happy as I am. Definitely true, because I used most of the items that I get in the box, and if I'm not happy with it, you know, you have an option to sell it. You know, if you don't have to keep it, but you can also sell it in order for other people to also be able to access whatever is on your subscription box. So if you want to try it, just do the monthly. If it works for you, then, you know, do the 3-month or the 6-month prepay, whichever is convenient for you. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching. See you soon.